Guys, I decided that one expensive hobby just isn't nearly enough and decided to pick up skiing today. Starting off with some carbon fiber skis. No, I'm just kidding. These are side skirts for my F87 M2. And they're going to go right on here and hopefully dress her up nicely. Now, the way that these ones work, they're actually going to kind of contour up against the side and jut out a little bit in the back. So they'll be narrow up in the front and then wider in the back. The way they sit on here will basically have them tucked up inside that little like divot right there. So I think this is going to look really clean, really OEM plus, which has always kind of been the goal with this build. I've got the 763Ms on here. I've got a not too aggressive tint. I'm going to get a windshield tint, but I need to just replace my windshield to get rid of some of those chips. And just trying to keep everything very OEM plus with this build. I got these sponsored by eBay. No, kidding. They don't sponsor people, I don't think. It'd be nice if they did, though. And I got these on eBay. It was like $350, I want to say. And that was just normal price, not like any crazy sale price or anything. And I was pretty impressed with the packaging and the lead time. They didn't take like 10 years to come from Alibaba. And this particular style too, which I believe is called PSM. Don't know what that's from. They don't have them on Alibaba either. Not that I could see, at least not in real carbon fiber. And we're not putting fake carbon fiber on this thing. I've had an M Light for long enough. I've gotten clowned on long enough for all kinds of things. We're doing this thing legit with legit enough eBay carbon fiber. You know, it's still good quality. Very, very good material overall. I'm pretty impressed with the build quality on this. And they even included real 3M tape as well, which is a rarity. I mean, they could have just printed 3M on there, I guess, but either way, ain't the worst thing. Got some screws here too. We're going to do this legit. We're not just doing the tape, so these things don't fly off while I'm going like 150 around a bend on the track. But yeah, I'm stoked to get these on here. I'm not going to show you guys the full in-depth process. I just want to show you the before and after. So if you're considering putting carbon fiber side skirts on your F87, this is a Hockenheim Silver 2019 M2 Competition, you'll get to see what the result looks like overall. And hopefully this can inspire you for your own build. I'm just not going to show it because it's pretty easy. I mean, you just put tape on. You clean the bottom, tape on it, put it up, that lines it up and whatnot. It just kind of fits in the contour. And then there's screw holes in the bottom, and you're just going to use a little drill up, use those self-tappers, put a little bit of RTV or silicone, whatever the hell on, make sure they really don't come out, Loctite, I guess, I don't know, something sticky. And then it'll be stuck up there forever. And that's that. You do have to drill into things if you want to actually work, because if you just tape it, trust me, it's going to fly off on the highway at some point, or it's just not going to look right. But not very difficult. And there's definitely videos out there that'll show you how to do it too, probably from the manufacturer themselves. So let's see how it looks afterwards. All right, guys, not done quite yet, but I have the adhesive on, and I'm pretty much done aligning it at this point, minus the back. I just need to tuck that in a little bit once I remove that. And then I'm going to screw it on and see how it looks. But so far, I am really optimistic about how this is turning out. I really, really like how it looks. I think it's going to blend really nicely with the carbon lip I have in the front, too. And I just think it looks more aggressive overall. Honestly, it looks nice. I'm loving it. So see how it comes together once everything's in place. And that's that. The side skirts are on, and I am so happy with them. I think they turned out so good. I think they complement the front lips so well. They look great with the wheels, just on both sides here. Yeah, I am really happy with how this turned out. One pro tip I can give y'all on this is to use a level. Put a level underneath the bottom of this thing, not lengthwise, but sideways, because you want to make sure that the side skirts are actually leveled off and that they're flat. Otherwise, they can be kind of tilted up to the side, and it just doesn't look good, you know? This, when it's nice and flat and level, looks much, much better. So overall, yeah, I am really happy with how these turned out on the F87. The carbon fiber is good quality. Really happy with just the overall like contour, complementing and whatnot of it. And yeah, if you guys are interested in getting something like this, I do have the link in the description. I don't get commission off of it, but there's probably other ones out there too, just like it. Let me know what you guys think of the carbon fiber side skirts on the F87 Comp, and if this is something you'd consider doing, or if you'd consider a different style instead. And comment what splitter you think I should get too, because now that I have the side skirts, I absolutely need a splitter, and that was part of the reason that I got these first, was so that I could see what kind of splitter would look best. And right now, I have a good idea, I think, of what I want, but I'm not 100% sure. So let me know what you think. As always, thanks for watching this video. If you want to see more F87 content from me, make sure to like and subscribe. I just got this car about 2 or 3 months ago. I've done a lot of work to it that I have not recorded, and going to do a lot more work that I hope to record, like I have with some of my other cars. Want to become more active on this channel in general. I've been kind of absent the last year. I get it. I'm all over Instagram, all over TikTok. I don't make enough time for YouTube. So yeah, like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you think and what kind of diffuser you would get if you would put on this side skirts. Thanks again.